Houston housing market 2023 looks for a slowdown to continue, but it could pick up fast if interest rates drop. By year's end of 2022, there was a major slowdown in the number of transactions. We saw a 34% drop in home sales year over year. Has the real estate housing market crashed in Houston? Let's talk numbers. Houston home prices. Houston, Texas has long been one of the hottest real estate markets in the country, with a thriving housing market that has attracted buyers and investors for years. However, in 2022, the Houston housing market slowed down due to a number of factors, including rising interest rates. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates multiple times in 2022, as the economy continued to recover from the pandemic. The rising interest rates had a direct impact on the Houston housing market, making it more expensive for buyers to finance their homes. With the cost of borrowing money increasing, many buyers became more cautious about making a home purchase, leading to a slowdown in the market. In addition to the impact of rising interest rates, the Houston housing market also faced challenges from declining affordability. The combination of rising home prices and increasing interest rates made it more difficult for many buyers to afford a home in Houston. As a result, many buyers either delayed their home purchase or looked for homes in less expensive markets. Despite these challenges, the Houston housing market still remains a strong and attractive market for buyers and investors. The city continues to have a strong job market and a thriving economy, and Houston remains one of the most affordable cities in the country, with a lower cost of living than many other major cities. The average time a home spends on the market is increasing. The average time it takes for a home to sell, known as days on market, DOM, has increased from 38 to 57. This marks a change from May 2022 when the DOM was at 33, due to the housing frenzy fueled by ultra-low interest rates. As the market returns to a more typical pace, it's worth noting that the total time it takes to close on a home, including the time from acceptance of an offer to final closing, has also increased to 94 days. This means that, on average, it takes an additional 38 days to close after a contract is signed. In conclusion, the housing market is moving away from the record low days on market seen in the latter half of 2020, 2021, and the first half of 2022, as interest rates and market conditions return to a more typical state. As a result, buyers and sellers should expect long periods of time for homes to spend on the market and for the overall closing process to take longer. However, buyers and investors in the Houston housing market should be aware of the challenges posed by rising interest rates, and they should be prepared to navigate a slower market in the coming months. For buyers still looking to purchase a home, it's important to work with a knowledgeable real estate agent who can help them find a home that meets their needs and budget. In conclusion, the Houston housing market slowed down in 2022 due to a number of factors, including rising interest rates and declining affordability. Despite these challenges, the market remains a strong and attractive option for buyers and investors, and it's likely to continue to be a popular destination for real estate in the years to come. Despite these positive indicators, there are some challenges facing the Houston housing market in 2023. Another challenge facing the Houston housing market is the growing concern over the sustainability of the city's economy. While Houston has been able to weather economic downturns in the past, the city faces increasing competition from other cities in Texas and across the country. Despite these challenges, the outlook for the Houston housing market in 2023 remains positive. With strong demand for homes and a limited supply of available properties, prices are likely to continue to rise. At the same time, mortgage rates have come down some and a growing economy will continue to support the market, making it an attractive place for buyers and investors.